Menteri Rangba Kejela Ukon Rat Sangma, Mentah Kesengi ke Pratarik Uyayong Arja Arpusan, Hagajing ya keren bat kilat pathai KHUBOR, Ulapin pau ke Jingbom Sengoya Hap ya ke Jingleit Tur ke Seng HYC Shenigrims, Kabade ke Jaka Ai Jing Sumar, da ke Boong Wat Hapdeng ke Thma Baru, ki Shipai Kim Hiar Thma ki hospital. Menteri Rangba Ulaong, bakila bendon ki isu beper, kila bendon ke jingya per jingmun, kindon kilat ki linti banya penben, Henry bantu kelar bat ban penthut ya ke rukom tray ki hospital, kamba jujia ki por belalai.
My take on this is very simple. Number one, even during times of war, there is always an unwritten code that the armed forces of any of the countries never attack the hospitals. I'm very disappointed, I'll tell you, to see that the operations of hospital, were kind of interfered with, and whatever the reasons may be. At the end of the day, if you do something like that, it is the people and the patients who suffer. And from any point of view and all humanitarian point of view, this is something that is unacceptable. I'm very clear on that. There can be issues, there can be differences, there are ways to resolve it. Whether it's a state government, whether it's a central government, or whether it is the concerned institute, has never shied away or closed their doors for any kind of discussion to be done on any issue. And we have proved it and shown it in the past also, and will continue to engage in the future. But to intervene and to kind of disturb the functioning of a hospital has not been done in the past. And this is something, as I said, I don't agree with. And accordingly, as I said, the police has taken note of it from a law and order point of view. The case has been registered, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per proof that is there. And we will take necessary action on that. As I said, we have never stopped any discussion or any issue. I'm not saying that the issue raised is not important or is important. But as I said, that does not justify interfering in the operations of a hospital. And if there are concerns, then there are other ways to discuss and address it. But stopping the operations of a hospital is not one of them.